Did your Volkswagen radio get locked and show safe or code on the screen? Don't panic. I'm going to show you how to get your VW radio code for free in just a few minutes. This method works with all Volkswagen models, including Polo, Golf, Passat, Bora, Jetta, Transporter, and more. All you need is your radio serial number, or VIN. You can usually display it directly on the radio by pressing a button combination, or find it on the sticker on the unit. Once you have the serial number, open the Volkswagen radio code decoder. Type the serial number, or VIN, into the program, click Generate, and instantly your Volkswagen radio unlock code appears. Now simply enter the code using your radio buttons, and your VW stereo is fully unlocked. In a moment, I'll show you directly in the browser how to download this decoder step by step, so make sure to keep watching. If this video helps you unlock your radio, don't forget to like and subscribe for more VW tutorials.